Hello friends, welcome to the video number 38 for the Python 3 series. And well, this is gonna be a very short introduction to exceptions and how to handle them. And well, basically, or a quick, I guess a quick explanation of what an exception is. It's just an error, right? It's um, an error that is gonna be showing up or happening in runtime, right? When you are using your program or some other user is working with your program, then something happens that, well, of course, it's not supposed to happen, but as the word kind of implies, you can expect for it to happen every now and then. That again is gonna cause an error and make your program crash. So it's good to know. We need to know how to handle those errors in order for our program to keep on working or taking some different actions depending on the error. And well, one of the most common, I think, or the basic errors that we can have is when we try to divide by zero. Um, right? Let's say we're getting two numbers from the user, and then we try to divide them and print the result. So, oh well, first just let me show you. If you come here to the Python documentation and you type except or exception, something like that, you can click or double click here in built-in exceptions, and then here you will see an explanation and a quick uh, description of all the exceptions. Right now, these are built in. This is the one that we're going to be using, the zero division error. These are all built-in exceptions in Python. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. Just come to the very bottom of this page, I guess, of the documentation, and here you can see the class hierarchy built-in for built-in exceptions, and you can see all these exceptions that are already included inside of Python that are ready for us to use. So for all of us beginners, this should be more than enough for now. And again, we're going to be using this one. Now, these are all exceptions. So the first thing we're going to do, let's just run the program. And okay, the first number is going to be 3, the second number is going to be 2. So 1.5, that's perfect, no problem. But now we get 3 and then 0. And we get an error, right? Zero division error. So Python here is telling us what type of exception is happening, right? So we have the zero division error. Um, so what we can do is what is called the try except block. So we're gonna say Python, okay, try this. Now this is again like a block, so you gotta put the colon in there. So try to do this, and if there is a problem, then except, and then it's gonna do. I don't know, let's just copy this. Right, just print to the user this. Now this is again just like a general exception. Any kind of error that happens, just do this. In this case, I'm gonna print something. You can print, you can call another function, you can do whatever it is you want to or need to in your program. So let's just run this. Now again it's 3 and then 0. And so now we get, okay, division by 0 is not allowed. Instead of having our program just crashing. Well, for us, of course, we now we can see, okay, this was the problem. I'm trying to divide by 0. So there is useful information, but let's say this is not a grateful way of exiting the program. And sometimes we're not going to want the program to exit or to finish, but to do something else. So um, now, as we know that this is the zero division error, we can just copy this and say, okay, if this is the exception that is happening, then do this. And you can add more exceptions below. Right now we're gonna keep just this one, and of course, well, the result's gonna be the same. Whoop, 3 0. Again, the division is not allowed, and now you can just do this in a probably a better way. Just if you have tried this and you know that it's working fine, you can just enclose everything in a function, I'm just calling this division. I'm gonna pass it to numbers, then do the exact same thing. And again, we'll just run it, right? So you get the same result, but looks a little bit better if you put this in a function. Remember, you can put your collection of functions in your own module, and so on. Everything that we have been covering until now. And well, again, you can do the same thing for all these possible built-in exceptions inside of Python. And well, I think that's it for this video. Very simple. Again, just wanted to give you a very short introduction on how to handle the exceptions in Python. And well, as always, I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And well, thanks all of you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.